Best motorcycle wheel chocks. Number 3. Extreme Max Standard Motorcycle Wheel Chock. Solid front crossbar and boot provide maximum stability. Durable steel and textured semi-gloss black powder coat provide heavy-duty strength and good looks. Multiple rear wheel cradle adjustments fit wheels perfectly. Designed to hold 17 inches to 21 inches wheels. Easy bolt-together assembly. Pros: made from durable steel, with a textured powder coating. Fits most 17 to 21 inch wheels. Heavy-duty strength. Easy to assemble. Decent price. Also available in a deluxe version, which comes with tie-downs. Cons: some reports of weak hardware, including bolts. The chock itself is a little wide, narrow tires may float around in it too much. Bottom line: a decent price for a sturdy, adjustable wheel chock, but you may want to consider other options if your bike has narrow tires. Number 2. Max Haul Motorcycle Wheel Chock. 3-position adjustable holes on wheelbase to accommodate various motorcycle wheels. Includes hardware and mounts securely to floor, truck or trailer. Locks your tire as you roll it into your wheel chock. Easy for one person to strap down a motorcycle. Heavy-duty steel construction. Durable powder coat finish to resist rust and corrosion. Pros: this adjustable chock fits most motorcycle wheels. Constructed from heavy-duty formed steel with a durable powder-coated finish. Easy to install. Holds securely. Heavy, solid construction. Cons: works best bolted down to a trailer or other surface. Hard to load or unload a bike on it if it is not bolted down. Some reports of this option arriving damaged or used. Bottom line: an affordable and adjustable chock that is both solid and easy to bolt down. The recommended installation method. Number 1. Lock and Load Motorcycle Wheel Chock Combo Kit. Includes 1 BK100 Deluxe Wheel Chock, 2 BK202 Retractable Ratchet Straps, 2 Quick Release D-Rings, 2 Quick Release Strap Clips, 1 Mounting Plate, and 1 Front Tire Ratchet Strap. For complete transport security, this combo kit ensures front and rear stability through use of wheel chock, front tire strap, and rear tie downs. Ride motorcycle into wheel chock to secure in place. Motorcycle will then stand alone while attaching the included front and rear straps. Fits all factory motorcycle applications. Pros: includes wheel chock, front tire strap, rear ratchet tie downs, and mounting plate. For use with all sizes of motorcycles. Easy to install and mount/dismount a bike. Very sturdy. D-rings with backing plates included. Cons: minimal instructions on how to use. Strap ratchets are not the best quality. Some found this hard to use with a narrow trailer. Bottom line: a sturdy, full trailering stability kit that includes a wheel chock and a variety of straps, although you may find this difficult to use with a narrow trailer. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.